My name is Justin Jahnke, and I'm originally from Louisiana, live in Chicago, and I play in a band here called Midnite on Pearl Beach. Being a musician, I'm not really a musician's musician. I'm more like a creative person. I'm kind of like a folk artist, where I just sort of have learned the trade throughout the years and the craft throughout the years, and I'm able to interpret it through music. Well, my influences from back home would have to be country music, just because I'm from Northwest Louisiana and it's very cowboy culture there. There's also blues music and stuff, which I love. And the Chicago influences are more about the city. I'm very influenced by the city and the surroundings and what I see day to day. I'm really have an affinity for like kind of down on your luck folks. So a lot of the lyrics or the imagery and the sounds and stuff was sort of inspired by sort of like the underdogs of the city, you know. The songs come from all over the place, but I do have a habit of being very observational and very, very personal. So I might see a dog in a beer can and a chair, and that would be the start of the song. They sort of originate just from observations, and then a desire to explain those observations or talk about the observations. There's a strong desire to make them. I don't know why, but it's there, definitely there. As I age, I'm almost more interested in the craft work of making songs that require more effort. It's very satisfying to work and work and work and work and chip away, and then you see your sculpture eventually come out as a finished product. The struggle is also a blessing and a curse. The struggle is part of who you are, and it pushes you forward, but at the same time it kind of keeps you in a way chained down a little bit, because you're kind of a slave to it, unfortunately. And that may be the wrong attitude, but that's just how it's been for 10 years or so, you know. So she understands the struggle. The dream, in terms of what do you want to do as a dream, pie in the sky, I would love to have an audience. I would love to be sort of just have the music be heard. That would be a huge success. I do believe in it, and I think if people listen to it and really hear it, they'll get what it is that it's saying, or they'll feel something from it. That's a huge goal too.